to deposit. Click wallet and then click deposit. And then click $10 GCash or Maya. And then fill up. Lagay po yung tamang number and password. And then wait po for the code. Ayan, ilagay po natin ang code. And then click verify. Click confirm to pay. Maghihintay ulit ng code. And then ilagay na po ulit yung code. And then magbaback po tayo. How to buy a $10 machine directly, no need by CVS. Scroll lang po. Scroll. And then ayan, click buy. Click confirm. Then yan, successful na po. And then punta tayo sa miners. And tada!